Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Moses. This is the channel where you learn English in a simple, clear, and slow way. Here, we learn English through stories, emotions, and life lessons. Today's video is a story to help you improve your English through reading and listening. So relax, breathe, and listen carefully. Let's begin.
English with Moses.
Take your English to the next level.
In a small village, there lived a gray donkey named Leo. Leo was not fast. He was not strong, but he was loyal, patient, and kind. For many years, Leo worked for his master. He carried heavy bags, he walked under the hot sun, he never complained. He trusted his master. But one day, something changed. The master began to believe strange things. He said Leo brought him bad luck. When the crops failed, he blamed Leo. When business was slow, he blamed Leo. He looked at Leo with cold eyes and said, "You are useless now. You bring me misfortune." Leo did not understand. He stood there, silent, confused, heartbroken. Then the master did something cruel. He pushed Leo away and closed the gate. Leo was alone in the wild. Leo walked slowly, without direction. The village disappeared behind him. The road became a forest. The forest was dark, cold, and dangerous. At night, Leo heard terrifying sounds. Wolves howled in the distance, bushes moved, eyes watched him from the shadows. One night, a hungry wolf appeared. It moved slowly, carefully, ready to attack. Leo's heart beat fast. Fear filled his body, but survival gave him strength. He ran. He ran faster than he ever ran before. Branches hit his body. His legs hurt. His breathing was heavy. But he did not stop. He escaped. Night after night, he walked alone. Hungry, tired, weak. Sometimes he asked himself silently, "Why was I abandoned? What did I do wrong?" But deep inside, he kept moving, because hope, even small hope, was still alive. One morning, Leo saw something different. A village, small houses, green fields, peaceful silence. Leo walked slowly into the village. People looked at him, curious, but careful. Some ignored him. Some walked away, but one old man saw him clearly. The old man noticed Leo's thin body, his tired eyes, his silent pain. He walked closer. Gently, he placed his hand on Leo's head and said softly, "You are safe now." Leo did not run. For the first time in a long time, he felt warmth. The old man gave him water. He gave him food. He gave him rest. Days passed. The old man never hit him, never shouted at him, never blamed him. Instead, he cared for him. Leo became stronger. His body healed. His heart healed. And slowly, Leo understood something important. Not everyone is cruel. Not everyone abandons you. Some people see your value, even when others do not. Leo stayed in the village. He helped the old man in simple ways. He carried small things. He walked beside him every day. But now, he worked with dignity, not fear. The villagers began to love Leo too. He was no longer unwanted. He was home. Dear listeners, sometimes life rejects you. Sometimes people misunderstand you. But rejection is not the end. It is often the beginning of a better place or great things to come. Remember this: your value does not disappear just because someone fails to see it. Thank you for listening and learning English with me today. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs hope. This is English with Moses, where we learn English through powerful stories.